Hey guys, welcome back. So I put these plastic skis on a few weeks ago, and in the process I noticed one ski was completely missing the ski dampener, and this chunk fell out of the other side. And you cannot buy these anymore. Nobody reproduces them. So I kind of went looking to see what might work, and I found one that kind of looks similar. So I bought them, and I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in doing this. So what I did is I just put the new one on and took a Sharpie and kind of traced it out, and then used a bandsaw to cut it. Now this chunk right here is missing, this triangle right here, but you know, you still have a pretty good size piece right here. So that's kind of what it looks like. So we're gonna try it out. It should work. As you can see, there's nothing in there right now. So we'll go ahead and get this ski off and try to fit it in there. Place the new one in. Alright, check it out. Looks like it fits in there pretty nice. And here's a view from the back. Alright, I'm happy. Alright, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. Alright, thanks for watching.